Good morning, beautiful souls. I'll share another song with you. They're coming through quite quickly at the moment. It's interesting, isn't it, how we have different phases at different levels of creativity. I don't know if you've noticed that. Particularly as women, I think, we go through these cycles a little bit more, and sometimes I'll be more creative in aspects of my business, and sometimes I might be more creative in the garden, and sometimes I might be more creative with painting, and sometimes I'm more creative with music. And music had been sat on the back burner for a little while, but you might have seen a few songs coming out and recently, and this one is Saraswati, so I wanted to share it today. And those of you seeing this video in the Radiant Femmes, we have a hashtag Femmes Day, and to share how we connect with our feminine. And for me, the feminine is so much about creativity and coming from this place that really arises from deep within us, deep within our womb space, which is our center and essence of creativity. And this song is around the goddess Saraswati, and Saraswati is an aspect of the feminine that relates to this capacity to create, and that we have this capacity to create through the power of our word. Our words are like vibratory bombs, Paramahansa Yogananda used to say. And these bombs can either shatter obstacles, or they can shatter dreams and desires and other people's feelings. So we can use our words to uplift and inspire and to create magnificence, or we can use our words to suppress and to numb and to blame. And so for me, it's been a really important part of my journey of how I use my words and what words come and where I tap into the essential nature of myself in order for those words to arise, so that they come from a higher place. When we do that in a powerful way, more and more become aligned to that soul source self within us, then whatever we say literally becomes true. I see things manifest constantly, so quickly. And we also then have the capacity to really awaken the light in others just through the power of our word. And one of my beautiful beacons actually even just wrote me a testimonial the other day that said, as soon as I'd spoken some words at a particular event, it's like she just cracked open. And it wasn't anything in particularly special that I said, but it was the right timing of those words infused with the right amount of essence and presence for that person to crack open and see their beauty and see their light. In this way, we can be a powerful, impactful energy for change, right? It's this cracking open and enlightening that all of us need to go through. It doesn't always look like something coming from the external, or having to change someone's mind or opinion on something if you don't agree with them. It is just literally the power of your essence, your presence, you being a beacon and being that light, letting the Saraswati energy flow through you, that is going to create this next reality for us, I believe. So this song came through last week when I was running a retreat for my beautiful beacons, and we go through some feminine embodiment work of different aspects of the feminine, and we were immersed in this Saraswati energy. And of course, Saraswati came to me and this beautiful song came through. So I hope you enjoy it. This is the first time it has been online, so you are getting a little preview here. Cosmic rays of light, I am source embodied, and my words bring light to life, light to life. Om Saraswati, Om Cosmic rays of light I am, source embodied, and my words bring light to life, light to life. Om Saraswati, Om Saraswati, Om Saraswati, Om Saraswati, Namah, Namah. I am the creator, I am cosmic rays of light, I am source embodied, and my words bring light to life, light to life, light to life. I am a creator, I am cosmic rays of light, I am source embodied, and my words bring light to life. Thank you, beautiful souls. Have a great day. May your words bring light to life.